In the heart of Japanese craftsmanship lies an art form that has stood the test of time, the creation of the obi. Each obi begins with premium silk, selected for its elegance and the natural benefits it offers. Silk is not only soft, but also hypoallergenic, gentle on the skin, and designed to promote comfort. These hand-applied designs turn obis into more than just accessories. They are living stories. Every symbol and pattern carries meaning, representing Japanese nature, culture, and tradition. With each precise motion, the silk transforms into a canvas that tells the story of Japan's rich heritage. These designs are applied with traditional methods that have been passed down through generations. At Art of the Obi, we invite you to be part of this journey. Our hands-on workshops let you explore the beauty of applying traditional designs to silk, just as artisans have done for centuries. This is more than creating art. It's about embracing tradition and connecting with the heart of Japanese culture. Join us at Art of the Obi and experience the artistry, tradition, and craftsmanship woven into every single piece.